Hello everyone. My name is Roshan Chaurasia and I am submitting my entry for Code Basics Resume Project Challenge number 6 on Energy Drink Survey Insights. This project belongs to food and beverage industry domain and this challenge is organized by Code Basics. So let's start with the contents of the project. First of all, we will see about the CodeX company, objectives of our project, workflow and end goal of our project, primary insights, secondary insights, and at last recommendations to the CodeX. So, talking about the company, Codex is a German beverage company that is aiming to establish its presence in the Indian market. So, they come up with the energy drink. So, before launching it fully in India, we want to know more about the Indian market, scope, consumer behavior, consumer purchase pattern, consumption situation, etc. So, to study all this before launching it in whole India, few months ago, we have launched our product in 10 cities of India. So let's understand the workflow and end goal of our project. So our marketing team has conducted a survey in those 10 cities and received results from 10,000 respondents. And these survey results are now provided to me. I am Peter Pandey, working as a marketing data analyst at Codex. As the marketing data analyst, my goal is to convert this survey result into insights that will drive actionable decisions for our team. I have to present my whole analysis and recommendations to the CMO at Codex, and he will convert my findings into action. So, moving ahead, talking about the objectives of our project, our objective is to generate insights from survey reports about what are the current status of our energy drink in Indian market and what improvements needs to be done. We have to generate insights to increase brand awareness, market share, and product development according to the Indian market scenario. Moving ahead, these are the 10 cities in which we are operating right now. Talking about the approach which I have used working on this project, first of all, I have started with the business domain analysis, which is here the food and beverage industry. I have studied about the food and beverage industry, and then I looked upon the data, survey data, which is provided to me. Uh, uh, then I look upon the data preparation and data cleaning part if needed. So there are need of data cleaning as some respondents have not answered all the questions correctly. There are some situations in which data cleaning is needed. Is if heard before is no, then tried before must be no. If tried before is no, then test experience rating must be null. If tried before is yes, then reason preventing trying must be null. So these are the three areas in which I have done data cleaning. After that, understanding the problems which I need to solve, identifying the data which I need to solve the problems which are given to me, and then I begin with my analysis. And after the analysis is done, I need to prepare my analysis report as per my target audience. So here my target audience is CMO at Codex. So I prepared my analysis report according to that. So these are the stages in which I have break down my project. In primary insights, I have answered sample questions provided to me. In secondary insights, I have done research on Indian energy drink market, and at last recommendations for Codex, in which I have provided uh, some immediate recommendations to the Codex. So, starting with the primary insights, our first problem is to find who prefers energy drink more. So, I am considering here that the person who consumes energy drink at least 2 to 3 times a week, means combining daily consumers and 2 to 3 times a week consumers, we found that male consumes energy drink more frequently. Our second problem is to find which age group prefers energy drink more. So here again I am considering that age group who consumes energy drink at least 2 to 3 times a week, means combining daily consumers and 2 to 3 times a week consumers. We found that the age group 19 to 30 consumes energy drink more frequently. Which type of marketing reaches the most youth? Here I have combined 15 to 18 age group and 19 to 30 age group, and these are the number of youth, total number of youth of total respondents. So here I have seen that the almost 48% prefer online ads as their marketing channel. So marketing channel online ads reaches most of the youth. What are the preferred ingredients of energy drink? So here we can see that the caffeine is the most expected ingredient among total respondent. Almost 40% respondents prefer caffeine. So because as it is the most commonly used product in energy drink due to its stimulant nature, which increases alertness and energy. So here we can see that the FSSAI, Food Standards Authority of India, approved that the caffeinated drink should be 75 milligram per 250 ml, and it is also passed by the health department of Europe. So the amount of caffeine should be in proper amount. Packaging preferences do respondents have for the energy drink? So almost 40% of respondents prefer compact and portable cans packaging of energy drink. Current leaders, talking about the current market leaders, we can see that the almost 65% of the market share are occupied by Cola, Coca, Pepsi and Gangster. Coca occupy 25% share, 21% by Pepsi and 18% by Gangster. So I have assumed here that these three are the market leaders, as below, after that, Blue Bull, Codex, Sky9, these are at same levels. I have assumed here Cola, Coca, Pepsi, and Gangster are the current market leaders. What are the primary reasons consumers prefer those brands over ours? So I have combined those three market leaders, and why consumers choosing those brands apart from our brand. So um, calculating those, I have seen that the brand reputation is the most important factor which in choosing those brands over ours, and the second is the taste, and the third is the availability. So these are the primary reasons consumers prefer those brands over ours. Which marketing channel can be used to reach more customers? So we can see that the more than 40% respondents prefer to choose their energy drink by online ads. So online ads will be the most effective marketing channel to reach maximum customers. How effective are the different marketing strategies and channels in reaching our customers? So I have looked upon here about our customers are 980 among total respondents. So here we can see that the almost 42% of our customers come from online ads marketing. Talking about the overall rating of our product, uh, out of the total respondents, 10,000 respondents, only 4,881 respondents tried our product, and they have given the rating of our product. So overall average rating is 3.27. So I think there is a area of improvement in this sector. We have to make the target to 4.5 or 5. Moving ahead, which cities do we need to focus more on? To find the cities to focus more on, I have used here the heard before column, as this is the most important factor in marketing point of view, that people at least know about our product. We can't decide it as per the number of respondents, as because the number of respondents are not same with all the cities. We haven't conducted a survey with the same number of respondents from all cities, so we can't decide from there. So as per this heard before, we can see here that the Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Jaipur and Bangalore, we need to work upon these five cities, as these cities has the lowest percentage of respondents who know about our product. So I think we need to work upon these areas more, as uh, energy drink is more on marketing, less on manufacturing. We have to work more upon marketing our product. So moving ahead, where do respondents prefer to purchase energy drink? So we can see here that supermarket are the most preferred location people use to buy energy drinks. What are the typical consumption situations? So consumers mostly prefer to have energy drink mostly when they are doing exercise or playing sports, working late or studying late. So we can launch advertisements to target these audience, and also make sure the availability of our product at these locations. Factors influencing the purchase decision. So we can see here that 50 to 99 price range are the most people prefer to spend on energy drink. Almost 42% of respondents preferred 50 to 99 price range. And we can see here that limited edition packaging is not the important purchasing factor. And also compact and portable cans are preferred by almost 40% of consumers. Which area of business should we need to focus more on? So here I have compared total respondents reason of choosing brands with the uh, consumers reason of choosing brands. So with comparing, we can see that the out of 980 respondents whose current brand is CodeX, only 182 prefer CodeX because of their taste. So I think there is a need of area of improvement in taste, availability, and also in the brand reputation part. Coming on the secondary insights, here I've seen that the um, we have that non-positive perception of our brand is a concern. So as per our survey, when we look upon general perception of respondents about our product, about 45% of respondents have negative perception. When we add dangerous and this not sure, we can see that 45% of respondents have negative perception about our product. And again, when we look upon brand perception of respondents about our product, only 22% respondents shows positive perception. So 17% have negative perception, and almost 60% are not sure. So I think we need to make our brand image positive first in between the respondents. So our secondary insight is Indian energy drink market. So studying about the Indian energy drink market, I've seen that the Indian energy drink market size was around $2.609 billion in 2022, and which is likely to reach to $4.145 billion by 2031, expanding at a CAGR of 5.6% during 2023 to 2031. So we can say that there is a huge scope of energy drink in India, as because India has more than 50% of its population below the age of 25, and more than 65% below the age of 35. In 2020, the average age of Indian is 29 years, compared to the 37 for China and 48 for Japan. So I think there is a huge scope of energy drink in India. We can say that the COVID-19 pandemic positively impacted on the Indian energy drink market. Adoption of energy drink increased during the pandemic due to the rising awareness regarding the necessity of having good health conditions and immunity among the population. So we can say that there is a huge scope of energy drink market in India. Talking about the competitive landscape in India, the key players competing in Indian energy drink market are Monster Energy, Red Bull, PepsiCo with the product name as Sting, Powerhouse Energy Drink, and Neutralite Healthcare. So moving ahead with our last part of our project, which is the recommendation. So what immediate improvements can we bring to the product, to our product? So I think the availability of our product is the most concerned, and the immediate improvements we need to more work upon, as because almost 25% of respondents said that the product is not available locally, which is the biggest reason behind not trying it. So to make it available in every supermarket and retail stores, especially in the stores near sports activities and stores which operate late night, is very important. Second improvement, I can say that the promoting our product as healthy and natural drink is more important, as the second biggest reason of not trying our product, as per our survey, is because they have health concern about our product. And also we can see that the almost 60% of respondents have health concerns in trying any energy drink. So we can promote our product as healthy and natural drink. And again, also we can make our product as less sugar content, as 30% of respondents want it less sugar content. Moving ahead, what should be the ideal price? So talking about the ideal price, we can see that almost 43% respondents consider 50 to 99 price range reasonable for an energy drink, and 100 to 150 as a reasonable price range. These are 31% think that 100 to 150 as a reasonable price range. So making it between 80 to 100, we can say that we can target both of the segments. So I think it should be between 80 to 100. Talking about the marketing campaigns, offers and discounts we can run, the best thing is we can do is organizing and sponsoring adventurous events like mountaineering, trekking, rock climbing, sport climbing, snow skiing and mountain biking. This can be an excellent strategy to target our target audience. The second one is sampling campaigns. We can conduct sampling campaigns at events, fitness centers, supermarkets, offering free samples to the energy drink. This can increase our trialability percentage. Social media campaigns, as online ads is the most effective marketing channel, we can target consumers from there by organizing competitions and providing discount coupons from social media campaigns to showcase our product as healthier and natural. As we can see earlier also that 60% respondents are concerned about health impacts, and 50% of respondents interested in an energy drink with natural and organic ingredients. So this will be very helpful in our promoting our product. Talking about the ideal brand ambassador, the ideal brand ambassador should be young male sports person within the age range of 19 to 30. So here I am recommending five names. The here Sunil Chetri, who is the Indian footballer; Virat Kohli, Indian cricketer; Gaurav Taneja, who is the YouTuber; Ranveer Singh and Tiger Shroff. I think these individuals recognized and admired for their remarkable fitness levels and high energy. So moving ahead, who should be our target audience? Talking about the target audience should be age group of youth of age group 15 to 30, as because as per our survey, approx 70% respondents belongs to these age group who prefer to consume energy drink. And sports person, fitness enthusiast, individuals who work or study late, who frequently visit supermarkets. This should be our target audience. And here I have given additional recommendation as per going through the survey reports. I have identified a problem which is a biggest problem, I think, because we have a very low percentage of respondents who tried our product or heard about our product. As in energy drink market, selling an energy drink is more challenging than manufacturing it. Even if you can see that the biggest global brand of energy drink, which is Red Bull, even Red Bull, they don't manufacture their product by itself. Dietrich Mateschitz, who was the founder of Red Bull, given their manufacturing to the company named Roche. Red Bull focuses only on the selling part. So the second thing we can learn from the Red Bull business model is the B2B and B2C model. In B2B model, they used to pick students from popular colleges and made brand managers, and they have to arrange regular parties where they have to convince other students to drink Red Bull, and Red Bull provided it free so that consumers taste their product, and also it increased the word of mouth to set the trend among the youngsters. And the second thing is B2C model, which Red Bull used, which is Red Bull used very unique marketing outside every beaches, colleges, gyms, offices. He used to place these Volkswagen Beetles to grab attention, to give them free samples. This strategy is called as guerrilla marketing. These are very eye catching. So these marketing strategies made consumers who tried their product and also improved brand awareness. So these are the solutions I can suggest uh, for this problem. So moving ahead, so that's it. In the references, I have given the links of the websites which I have gone through to study about the Indian energy drink market. So, thank you. I hope I have answered all the problems with my analysis, and I hope my recommendations will be useful for CodeX to expand their business in India. And at last, I would like to thank Hemanand sir, Dhaval Patel sir, and whole Code Basics team for providing me this opportunity. Thank you, everyone, for watching it. Waiting for your reviews and valuable feedback. Thank you.